Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair corrupted Windows system files into your Windows 11. So what you can do, just simply come over into your search option, going to search for CMD and going to click on the right mouse button and then click on Run as Administrator. Click yes for the permission. And now here is your command prompt, and from here you just need to type SFC /scan now and then click enter. It will begin system scan. This process will take some of time, so it will take maybe 5 or 10 minutes, so keep your patience. And you can see that the verification is 100% complete, but there is a message called Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. So that kind of problem if you're facing, then simply close it and you just need to search for CMD another time. Click on the right mouse button and then click on Run as Administrator. And now here what you can do, just simply type DISM /online /cleanup -image and then /restore help and then click enter. What this command will do, it will be deleted your corrupted file into your Windows 11, and you can see that the percentage is showing. So it will take maybe 20 or 15 minutes. It depends on your hardware speed. So you can see the operation completed successfully. And now if you just close it, and now if you just open CMD prompt another time and click on the right mouse button and then click on Run as Administrator, click yes for the permission. And now if you type SFC /scan now and click enter, it will beginning the process and it will now complete the process. Just wait. And you can see the verification is completed and now your problem is completely solved. And this is how we can repair corrupted Windows system files into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.